Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a ride on the Rambus? Okay, it's not a real bus. It's a semiconductor stock. But if you haven't noticed already, semiconductors, and I'm looking at the ETF right here, are interesting because they're kind of just going sideways, a little bit of a base pattern here around a cluster of moving averages. And so at StockMarketMentor.com, we have a few semiconductors that we're watching right now. One of the ones that I have my eye on is Rambus. It's in an uptrend above all the major moving averages and not doing anything wrong in a market where if you turn on the news, they make it sound like everything's going to zero. And maybe that's the case, but at least not right here, right now. Rambus is in an uptrend above all the moving averages. We have clear support right around this red line. That's the 50-day moving average. And I have this little drawing tool, and I can draw a clear downward sloping trend line from the highs right there and connect some tops. Kind of right there, right there, right there. You can see this clear level of resistance. And so what I want to see from Rambus is a strong move through that zone coming on, ideally, higher than average volume. Now, that volume is going to soak up any supply that may be left over from anyone who is still stuck and underwater in this stock from the month of April. And so I want to see if this can follow through and potentially test the highs up here at around $52. And if it can do that, there's a probability that it goes higher because if I zoom out, you can see Rambus is within striking distance of its all-time high. So this is definitely one stock that I'm watching and recommend you add it to your watch list too. So I hope this video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.